Today I'm making egg drop soup. It is budget friendly, delicious, and very quick to the table. Start by cutting wonton or egg roll wrappers into strips and deep fry them till they are golden brown and crisp. Be very careful, they burn so easily. Drain them on a paper towel and season with a little salt. Set them aside until the soup is ready. Bring 6 cups of chicken stock to a simmer. You can use broth, but I like stock, it has more flavor. Add a half cup of julienne carrots. You could add frozen peas at this point also if you'd like. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. Add an 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. You can substitute with black if needed. A 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, this is for color mainly, and a pinch of sugar. Stir together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1/4 cup water. Add that to the broth and cover. Let simmer for about 5 minutes till it slightly thickens. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and the whites of 6 scallions sliced. Get your soup moving in a circular direction at a medium speed and take 3 beaten eggs and drizzle it in so it creates a ribbon effect. You can keep moving the broth to ensure that you have light fluffy ribbons. This is like playing with your food. This doesn't take much time at all to cook. As soon as you have your eggs added, it is pretty much completed. Turn the heat off and get ready to serve this delicious soup. This is a very versatile recipe. You can adjust the seasonings to what you and your family prefer. I love quick and easy recipes like this. If that's something you enjoy, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when the next cooking video drops. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching.